Now we introduce the Dirac delta function. This is a very important concept in engineering and physics. It represents an ideal impulse. First, we define an approximation. Let epsilon be positive. We define a function f of epsilon of x. This function is constant between minus epsilon and 0 elsewhere. The important point is, the integral of this function over the region from minus epsilon to plus epsilon is equal to 1. So even though the function becomes very narrow, its total area remains constant. Now we define the Dirac delta function as a limit. As epsilon goes to 0, f epsilon of x becomes delta of x. The delta function has special properties. It is 0 everywhere except at x equals 0, and its integral over all space is 1. Now let us consider a function of phi of x. Assume it is continuous at x equals 0. Then the integral of phi of x times delta of x gives phi of 0. This means that the delta function picks out the value of the function at one point. To understand this, we use the approximation. We replace delta with f epsilon. Then we take the limit as epsilon goes to 0. Now we consider a bounding argument on the interval from minus epsilon to plus epsilon. Let phi of x be a continuous function. Within this interval, phi of x takes values between a minimum value and a maximum value. So we write phi minimum is less than or equal to phi of x, and phi of x is less than or equal to phi maximum. Now we multiply this inequality by the constant 1 over 2 epsilon. Then we integrate over the interval from minus epsilon to plus epsilon. This gives us phi minimum is less than or equal to 1 over 2 epsilon times the integral of phi of x, and this is less than or equal to phi maximum. Now, as epsilon approaches 0, both the minimum and the maximum approach phi of 0 because phi is continuous at x equals 0. Therefore, the middle expression also approaches phi of 0. Therefore, the integral becomes phi of 0. Now, if we shift the delta function, we get delta of x minus a. Then the integral becomes phi of a. Consequently, delta of x picks out the value at x equals 0, and delta of x minus a picks out the value at x equals a.